This video is sponsored by eParts.Shop, where you can get all your John Deere needs met in one fell swoop. I'm going to put the John Deere seat on that they sent me. They sent me the seat. Beautiful seat. I'm very impressed with it. It's going to replace my old unit. I've never changed the seat out before, and this is going to be a first for me. So if I can do it, it certainly means that you can do it, okay? And just take a look how bad the old seat was. Oh my God, it's horrible, absolutely horrible. I never knew that was underneath the cover of the Rolling Stone. So anyway, I think this is just so simple that all you have to do, right, is there's a pin right there that we have to pull out, okay? And on the other side is a little clip I have to release in order to slide that out. I will probably put it in reverse just so that it all fits better. I gotta take a look at this. Now, I was told that this piece, okay, this just kind of twists out, I believe. Somehow it just kind of twists out. I gotta figure this out. I'm not sure exactly how it twists out, but I know that it twists out somehow. It's just probably tight in there because it hasn't been released in a while. So now I did move on to the other side of the tractor. And I'm trying to get a good look at this. This is just a clip that you pull out. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to pull it out yet. But I think I'm going to have to put some pressure on it and just press it out of there. I might have to get a screwdriver and just kind of wedge it in there and just kind of slide it out. Went and got a small screwdriver. I'm going to try to get in here and see if I can get this clip out. Oh yeah, perfect. Just what I'm looking for. There it is. This is all it is just a little clip like that. Oops. That's all it is. I hope you can see it okay. And once that's out of there, all you have to do is just push this rod out. Okay, and then the seat will come off. So we're going to go over the other side. We're really going to have to take a look on how to get this out of here, because somehow that rotates. That I can tell you. Somehow that definitely rotates. Not sure how yet, but I don't want to break anything, but I will figure it out. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this okay, but I'm going to try to put some channel locks on here and turn it. Just turn it if I can. Yep, here we go. Come on. There we go. Just a little bit more. And that's it. She's out. That's going to go back into the new seat. But now there's that pin we're going to have to pull out. And that pin goes right along here. Right along here. So we're going to take this out. Here it comes. Okay, you can see it right here. And that's the old seat is off. And that's all she wrote for that, okay? That's off. Now we're going to put the new seat in place so you can see. Take the cover off it. put the new seat in place, which is right here, like that. And that rod's going to go through there. I just don't want to. All right. There we are. That's all the way through. That's it. Couldn't be any easier. Now we're over to the other side. We're going to put this clip back in. And this should be pretty simple. Come on here, let's go. And that's in. And the last part of the seat installation is we're going to put the safety switch back on. So this obviously just went in like this, and then we twisted it. Get it in there and start it twisting, which we just did. And I'm going to tighten it up with the channel locks. Voila. That is one seat installation, one beautiful seat installation, I should say, on a John Deere X320. Courtesy of eParts.Shop. I can't thank you guys enough for sending this. I want to tell everybody that watches my channel, go out right now and buy one of these. There'll be a link in the description. It'll be in the video. It'll be on TikTok. It'll be on Instagram. All the sites that I post to, even on Twitter. All right? And let's not forget, send a shout out and a special thanks to eParts.Shop. God bless and have a great day. I just made myself a nice iced coffee in the mug that eParts.Shop sent me. So one final thank you. Let's check it out. And here we go. Brand new seat on the tractor today, thanks to eShop. A nice cut on the lawn today on my new seat, thanks to eShop. I hope you learned something from changing your seat out with the safety switch. Everything worked perfectly. Seat couldn't fit better, and honestly, it couldn't be more comfortable. So, thank you, eShop. You guys check out the stuff in the description. Go buy yourself one. Matter of fact, buy yourself a whole bunch of seats.